If a woman accidentally brushes against you in that perfect little way, man, that ain't an accident, that's interest. Stick around because I'm about to hand you a truth about how women really think that 99% of guys completely miss. There are tiny, almost invisible signals her body leaks out when she's already chosen you in her head. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 clearest signs that scream she's into you, no words needed. Number 6 is so strong that once you see it, it works like built-in radar. Get these locked in and you'll never have to guess again. Ever felt that electricity in the air? No kiss, no deep talk, but something is cooking. She's fidgeting, eyes flick away and snap right back. Little hair flip and you think, nah, I'm imagining it. You're not real talk. Women feel it first, speak it last. Her body starts talking way before her mouth does. That's pure instinct, doing the driving. Guys who miss these stay confused. Guys who catch them build real tension chemistry and connection because they move with calm, confident, masculine energy. So let's get into the 6 touches that are basically open invitations. Number 1, she starts fixing clothes that were already perfect. Tugs her sleeve, smooths her skirt, adjusts her top, maybe slides a strap back up. Those aren't random fixes. Those are butterflies going crazy. Her body is yelling, look at me. Number 2, she touches her neck or collarbone, fingers grazing her throat, playing with a necklace hand just resting there. That area is super vulnerable. When she does it around you, she's saying she feels safe and attracted at the same time. Number 3, she plays with her lips. Slow lip balm, soft bite, pressing them together, finger resting there while looking at you. Yeah, her mind is already thinking about kissing. Lips, desire, period. Just hold eye contact and smile slow. Your vibe does the rest. Number 4, picks up her phone but doesn't actually use it. Grabs it, flips it, sets it down, picks it up again, locks and unlocks the screen. 0 typing. That's not boredom, that's nervous excitement screaming, he's getting to me. Most guys read it wrong and bail. Don't be most guys. Number 5, classic hair play, twirling it, flipping it, tucking it behind her ear over and over. Dopamine is surging and her hair is the outlet. It's also her way of turning her face and that neck toward you. Number 6, fidgeting with her hands or jewelry. The loudest silent signal, twisting a ring, rubbing her fingers together, playing with a bracelet, squeezing her own hand. She's feeling so much attraction, her body is trying to burn it off. When you spot this, just stay calm. Deep voice, strong eye contact, relaxed posture. That combo hits her like a shot of pure confidence. So, how many of these have you seen and totally ignored? How many green lights did you treat like stop signs? Spotting these doesn't make you weird, it makes you awake, and women feel that energy from across the room. If this just hit different, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop in the comments which sign you've noticed the most in real life. I actually read every single one. Catch you in the next one. Until then, start paying attention. Her body is always talking, even when her mouth stays quiet.